Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Polygon Matic. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Matic, see what is happening and where we could see the prices going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So as of July 10th, if we're looking at the price of Polygon Matic, it's currently sitting at 74.3 cents. It's up 8% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up about 6% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're focusing on its market cap, $6.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $381.7 million. So a great way to start off, this week, as we obviously start off a fresh week. What a great way to see the price of Polygon Matic really breaking out. And speaking about breaking out, it's sitting at some very important levels. We could see the price really have a massive upside very soon, which I will share with you guys. But what really is causing this? Of course, we're aware, we've been seeing that SEC has come out and labeled Matic as a security. So what exactly is causing this to really see a massive upside? So you guys can see this for yourself. We saw some massive news come out of Polygon. You can see Polygon Matic price has gained 3% since the official announcement of ex-legal head Mark Borion as the CEO on Friday. So it has increased, of course, way more than this. And it says Polygon recorded a 120% spike in social volume within 24 hours of the announcement, suggesting the appointment was well received among stakeholders. A cohort of price-savvy whales bought 10 million Matic tokens within 48 hours of the appointment. So obviously him being appointed as a CEO is bringing in a lot of excitement. He is a lawyer, so I think that is why people are getting excited. Plus he's based out in the US, so maybe that is something why people are excited. And of course Bitcoin saw a massive move towards the upside today, which I think really triggered the price of Matic to break out. But if we're looking further, you can see this for yourself. On Friday, we've already talked about that. And if we go down, you guys can see this for yourself. Polygon's new CEO appointment sends the social media really to the moon, and you can see this for yourself. We saw a massive spike in that. But what exactly is happening with the price, and why is this really important, guys? This one is a really important one in my opinion, and I'll share as to why. But before we get into the charts, remember, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of Polygon Matic, you can see it has finally broken out of that level of resistance, which is at the 73.25 cents mark. We have broken out here first time since that initial drop for the price of Matic all the way down to 51 cents. Remember, this was caused when SEC came out and said Solana, Matic, and obviously Cardano are labeled as securities. They labeled them as securities. Obviously, that brought the price of Matic all the way down to 51 cents. And if you manage to pick up some Matic around that range, you are up right now 45%. And look how important this level of resistance really is. Insanely important. Since that June 10th wick towards the downside, this is the first time we're seeing Matic really making its way back up. You can see on the hourly time frame we're back above that level of resistance after a month, guys. Literally 1 month later. That was 1 month ago when we broke below it. And 1 month later, we're back above that level of resistance. So that is a huge plus point, of course, to point out to you guys. But what really is next? Right now, today, of course, we did see the price of Bitcoin, see a green candle forming. We went all the way up to 31,000, but we've seen something similar happen over the past few days. So I'm not really getting excited about that. But due to this, the move that we have seen in Bitcoin, obviously the entire market is going to react, and Polygon Matic is no exception. We did see a beautiful green candle, especially break above that level of resistance, which is great. But now you guys can see how much resistance is coming up on our side. We've been pretty much trading within this range throughout last year during the bear cycle, so huge level of resistance coming in. But if we do see a volume up spike, and especially if Bitcoin hits a new yearly high, we could see the price of Matic heading back up to this range, possibly even $1. That would be obviously the next main target. But at the same time, right now, main target would be that 83 cents first, but we have a lot of resistance on our side right now, huge resistance coming up. But we've seen this happen in the past where we've seen the price go below this, and obviously we saw that last summer, and we made our way back, but we pretty much consolidated. So now that is going to play as a level of resistance as we do go back towards the upside. Last bull cycle we did see a lot of institutions coming in and supporting Polygon, Matic, and I think this year nothing's gonna change, because now we're seeing Solana already outperforming majority of the markets. And of course, the SEC quote unquote label basically seems like it meant nothing, because Matic is back to where it was prior to that announcement. So people are starting to realize, hey, you know what, crypto is not just within the US. There's an entire world outside of the US, and a lot of people are starting to realize that. Hence, we're seeing a lot of excitement coming in Solana, and I think that could make its way into Matic now as well, especially now the fact that we've broken past this level of resistance for the first time since last month. This could trigger in interest coming in, especially from the whales. But right now, at the same time, Bitcoin is having a really, really hard time making its mind. And of course, it's the whales taking their time, and just obviously longs and shorts being liquidated. You can see the liquidation charts on your own. We're seeing millions and millions of dollars being liquidated, but we need to see the price of Bitcoin hit a new yearly high in order for us to really start seeing Matic making its way back to those 80 cents mark, and even that dollar mark. So things are looking really, really good for Matic. What I want to see the price of Polygon do is close above this range today. We want to be actually closing above here, not dropping back below. That is not what we need. We need to see the price close above here. This could trigger a massive upside for the price of Polygon Matic in the upcoming days, in my opinion. We've seen that happen in the past. We've seen the price go all the way into the 0.50. Obviously, I'm not saying that's going to happen straight off the bat. We'll take it one step at a time, but I really think this could be a massive triggering and turning point for the price of Matic to really get back into that bullish momentum once again. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your thoughts on this? Are you guys on the same page? Do you guys see something a little bit different that I see? Let me know in the comment section. And also let me know if you guys want to see more Polygon Matic updates. Let me know in the comment section, because that lets me know if you guys want to hear more updates. So do not forget to let me know, of course, in the comment section, and come follow me on Twitter, link in the description box below. And yeah, that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow on Crypto ZX, and peace out.